It runs and drives, but motor's taking, maybe it's low on oil. Do we need to do some major repairing, or is it very simple repairing? I genuinely don't know.
Yeah, it's only at 7,000 even right now. You were thinking 8.
Just do whatever you think would be better for us to win it. Oh, we're up next. We're up next. We're up next.
You're still winning.
8,400, 8,500. Well, that's the beauty of betting on a car. You have a price in mind, and it almost always goes over that price. But the real question is, how bad do I want it? Damn, it's already at 10.5. Put 10.5, 10.5, bid 10.5. Even though I put $2,500 more than what I originally wanted to spend, someone from Poland bid 12,600 for the car and won it. Well, that hurts.
Polska rządzi.
Rip. So at this moment, we can either give up or we can keep going. We kept going. I found a pretty decent one, only front end damage. And this one, I'm willing to go for more. And well, we lost. But we didn't just lose. We lost again to someone from Poland.
Polska rządzi.
But I didn't give up. I found this one, low miles, looks really clean, 996.2 headlights. It looks absolutely amazing, except for that. But we can figure that out later. I am willing to bid everything for this one.
Or I'll do 15.5 and Poland did 15.6 immediately.
God damn, bro. Even though we're past our budget of $15,500, I am determined to beat Poland. Go 16-2. At this point, I'm going back.
All right, winning.
Okay.
Oh, fucking Poland.
My God. But are we gonna give up? Yes. Yes, we are. Poland won this car for $16,700. And as much as I would love to go 16.8, I know it's just gonna keep going up. But we can either sit back, cry, and find another build, or we can continue to pursue the 911 dream.
You'll never win. Poland rules.
I don't know how soon I can put. Yeah, I think I can put the max bid in like 5 minutes before.
This car's a run and drive, 1999, Carrera 2. The one big issue is that the main part of the damage, through the pictures, you cannot see if the frame rail is damaged or not. But I'm an idiot, and I decided, let's go all in.
Yeah, what are you thinking?
Let's bid so we win it.
Alright, bid it to win it. I like it.
Since Nick from Spark Speed Shop was in a meeting, we couldn't live bid on the car. So his suggestion, let's do a monster bid, and if no one bids over that, we win the car for whatever the highest bid was. We should be able to win it at 16.5.
I think so, for sure.
We just bid $16,500 of hard work into a car that's wrecked. I'm literally getting goosebumps right now. God is 100% leading this one because I'm so nervous and anxious right now. Before we see if we even won the car, what's up with the obsession with a Porsche 996 911? Where I grew up in Havana, Cuba, as a kid, you never really see a Porsche. The only place I saw a Porsche was the game I spent most of my time on, Need for Speed Most Wanted. And well, how awesome would it be to build one at 24 years old? All right, today's question, comment below, what is your favorite car from a video game? You played a video game, what is your favorite car in that game? Write down the name of the game and the car. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Right now, the highest bid other than mine is 9,600. Wait, did we win that? Wait, I think we just won the car. Wait, what? Well, Nick just got back to me and of course nothing goes my way, right? Except this time, we won the car. With that being said, your boy's the owner or the new owner of a 996 911. Well, I guess this is where it all starts. My name is Danny and I just purchased the cheapest Porsche 911 in the country, but there's one big major issue. It doesn't look very pretty at all, and to be honest, I don't know what I got myself into. Now, I pretty much bid on this car sight unseen, and if you don't know what that means, I literally looked at this picture, which you can't even see the damage. Whoever took that picture, please quit your job. And I took chances with this car. Before we look at the damage, there's also positive things about this car. Now, as someone who loves rear ends, this Porsche rear end is absolutely amazing. It is a 1999 996 or 996 911. Now, the closest thing to a Porsche I've ever owned is a 2007 BMW 335i. And I didn't rebuild that car. This is the first car I'm rebuilding, and it's a Porsche. I probably got myself into something I shouldn't have, but that's the fun part. Another positive right off the bat, everything on the car, aside from the front end, is absolutely pristine, perfect, and I'm just so pumped to get into this build. But the delivery night was not the easiest. Let's go to that night. Delivery day, baby. This is so cool. We got turbo wheels. Bro, what the hell? This all started as an idea. Another thing is, so I thought it was an individual cell. Wait, he's gonna start it? No. Oh, it's dead. Oh, it's dead. The plan was to use this jump pack to start up the car, but not even that worked. But shout out to the neighbors. They came out of the house and helped me push up the car to the shop. Oh, I just noticed it's got a Porsche thing on the keys. Look, this is so sick. Yo, that's so cool. Dude, that's crazy. Now, if you're like me and you love finding incredible deals on cars, but you don't want to go into a whole bidding war with the country, and you don't want to buy a wrecked car, whether you don't know if it works or not, what you need to do is go to AutoTempest, look up the car you want to buy, and you're going to find the best deals on there, hands down. Which, crazy enough, is a sponsor for today's video. As an example, let's go ahead and search a Porsche 911. It literally gives you a statewide option, nationwide option, and pretty much, let's search up anywhere, search. And as you can see, AutoTempest pulls up results from every major classified website. You do not need to have 20,000 tabs open when you're trying to find your dream car or your next car. A 1970 Porsche for $7,800, that's insane. And see, these are all from different websites. No way that's $16,500. $15,900 for that? With oof, that's actually a pretty good deal. And if you're like me, I hate 30 different tabs, and that's why I only use AutoTempest. I literally just put the year of the car I want to look at, nationwide, search, and you get the best deals, and you don't have to be going from eBay to cars.com to TrueCar. No, it's only one spot. And if you can't spend all day looking at cars, you can actually go ahead and get alerts whenever a new car is popped up on the market. So you can go do your thing, and then you'll know when something popped up. With that being said, thank you so much to AutoTempest for sponsoring today's video. I've been using them for years, and the fact that thanks to them, videos like this are possible is such a blessing. Go ahead and check out the website. I will leave it in the description. Heck, I'm gonna leave some Porsche 911 results in the description. Check it out. And with that being said, let's get back to today's video. Now, this car has what I call a timeless Porsche interior. It has the 6-speed manual.
Love that.
Obviously, we got the handbrake right here. We got the little vents. The key is on the left side of the car. Porsche people, it's like a race car. You put the key on with your left hand. You still got your right hand to grab that. I love this car. I just love these cars. They look incredible. They look amazing. But I haven't even looked at the damage. I know I spent a lot of money on this car, and I said I was gonna repair it, but I still don't know if I can. Now, the great thing about this car is it is listed as a run and drive, but that could either mean two things. It runs and drives, or it runs and drives, but motor's taking, maybe it's low on oil. I see that it's missing a radiator. You can't run a car without a radiator. Did they toast the motor? I don't know. Let's push the car in here again, and let's get to work. Woo! And of course, in this video, I'm gonna access the damage. I'm gonna have someone that's very technically inclined with issues like this who access the damage or assess the damage. And we're also going to start it because I want to make sure that motor's good, because that is a $9,000 to $10,000 motor. When I won the car, I decided to do more research. It was actually from an insurance auction. Total of 4 owners, and in the CarMax, the damage shows here. There's a little chart that says minor, bad, and then really bad, I think it was. It was like under bad and right on minor. So here we go. The thing I was most afraid of when I was bidding on this car was this frame rail, and I'm happy to say there is no damage on this frame rail. I mean, look at that. There's literally nothing wrong with it. The hit, I believe it was hit up here, which is just insane how lucky you have to be to not damage the frame rail. I mean, this bracket right here is literally 2 inches above the frame rail, and it was damaged, and this literally is bolted on, so it's not even that big of a deal. This part here is only a tad bit pushed in compared to this side. It is not bad at all. I mean, I don't know anything about damage or structural damage or anything, but that just doesn't look bad at all to me. The worst part is definitely this. This is the most childish damage I've ever seen. For a good view, this is what this side looks like, and then this is what this side looks like. I mean, for my first ever Copart crashed car rebuild, I think God was by our side and we got extremely blessed with this. Okay, I just found something else. They did do these markings down here, but I think it's only because of this little dent. What? This arrow isn't talking about this being pushed in. I think this is talking about this right here that's marked because it is a little bit nicked, but I mean, this is the most childish damage I've ever seen. Theory, I'm pretty sure this car was crashed, the hood was wrecked, fender was bad, it's obviously missing a whole radiator piece right here. They accessed the damage and the insurance might have wanted to replace the whole tub. I was prepared to do that just because I didn't know how bad the frame rail was, but if you have to replace this tub just because of this damage, might as well just total the car and send it to auction. If all this was bent in and it was a bad damage, obviously you have to replace the tub. But for this little damage, I think we're gonna be okay. Now, everything may look amazing and too good to be true to me, but we need someone with actual experience to come check out the car and give me the okay before I go ahead and actually get excited about this car. All right, so we just took a good look at the car. My buddy Raynell's here. What's up?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Raynell works at a body shop. He deals with all these types of damages and things like that. We looked at a few things. We use a tram gauge to do like a cross points and X and just figure out the measurements. And do you want to tell them your honest opinion on this car?
Man, this thing is good in condition. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. I mean, I can't wait to get this on the road and
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like, it's a good project, man.
Like, definitely, and especially for the price, right?
Yeah, the price is good, man.
Yes, like he even looked at it, he's like, the frame rail's right. This would probably take him like 20 minutes to fix.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think when they sent it to the insurance, they saw that and they probably thought they had to replace like the whole front bucket of the car.
Yeah, it's like total, man, total. But nah,
It's like, yeah, I just put that as totaled.
Oh, no, this thing is good.
But Yep. So those are some great news because I was honestly a little bit worried. You guys saw the pictures. Boys and girls, we are rebuilding a Porsche 911. Now, if you look a little closer, I believe this is a bracket for the fender, which the bracket looks not to be damaged at all. That's something less we have to buy. We do have to get this bracket. Radiator hose, nothing seems to be cracked at all up in here. I mean, that's just incredible. We do have to check the suspension, but when we pushed it up, I had to make a quick left and go straight up, and nothing felt weird with the direction of the car. Definitely new front tires. That's a little bit dry rotted. I believe this is the windshield fluid reservoir, which just goes to nothing. I mean, it's just the tube, so I'm guessing the windshield things go on this side of the car. Something else we have to get. I'm no Porsche tech at all, but all the components in here seem like they were just untouched. Nothing ever happened. And for some reason, I do not understand this logic. The damage is here. Why would they take the headlight? The headlight's probably sitting at some insurance shop right now, collecting dust. Now we gotta buy an extra headlight. The partial leather interior, leather on the door right here. And you know what's really cool? This is the cubby for, ew, what? Oh no, what is that? What? Also just found a relay. Huh, interesting. We're gonna keep this in mind. These are the most comfy, sporty seats from factory I've ever been in. And this cockpit just looks insane. We got the cluster right there.
The new display places all the key gauges inside the steering wheel, so your eyes have less far to travel. It's just like our race car.
The interior just looks so absolutely incredible. This car does have back seats for some reason. We do have a sunroof. I don't know if that's normal in these Porsche years. And something I never get used to is that the keys on this side of the car.
With this arrangement, the Porsche drivers had a split-second advantage because they could start the car and put it in gear at the same instant.
Now, before we go ahead and even try to figure out if this car starts or not, or if the engine is good or not, it's fair that I tell you guys how much I paid for. Here's a rundown. The first Porsche 911 I ever bid on went for $12,500 at auction. The second one for $12,800. The last one, which I was very 100% going to buy, I bid $16,600 and it sold for $16,800. Drum roll, please. We won the car for an incredible $9,600. And after fees, we paid a total of $10,900 for this very Porsche 911, which if you ask me, that is such a good price. I don't know anything about Porsches. I just threw myself in this because I want to show everybody that literally someone like me that doesn't have a shop, doesn't really have any special tools or anything, can rebuild and make an epic Porsche build. But it's definitely gonna cost a lot if this 3.4 liter flat six doesn't run or drive. So I left it charging overnight. Battery should be charged. Yes, let's go. Oof, yeah, see, like, I definitely got power steering. All right, here we go. Oil's full, got every single code on the dash. Please, God, please, God, please, God, tell me it starts. Let's go! It started! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Yes! Any smoke? No smoke. Let's freaking go! I gotta rev it at least once, I know I gotta turn off real quick, but... It's idling good. Oh my gosh, the car starts and that sounded amazing. Now, two things. We're 100% going to keep track of how much this build is gonna cost. And we actually already went ahead and ordered the radiator. A secondhand radiator, condenser, and this shroud right here cost a total of $210 shipped to mi casa. Healthy motor? Check. Fixable damage? Check. Now, for more of a peace of mind, let's get under the car real quick and examine this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna jack up a Porsche 911. If there was something broken in there, this wheel would definitely be going crazy. All right, no cracks under here. Everything looks good under the rail too. Okay, I found something really bad. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't find anything wrong with, other than this, other side is fine. Obviously, when we start putting everything back together, and we drive the car for the first time, we will notice if something in the suspension is bad. Well, that pretty much shakes everything off. Suspension on this side, perfect. This crash could have been 1,000,003 times worse. Hi, baby. What do you think about the new car? Oh my goodness, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. The new Porsche. What? She always doesn't care. All right, close your eyes, close your eyes. We gotta do it. Close it. Come on, you two, girl, you two.
Okay, you need to guide me a bit.
You're good. All right, open your eyes in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow.
Say hello to the new build, baby. 911.
What goes in here? Is this the frunk?
That's the front. Yup.
Look at these curves.
Right? How
Look
sick
at
is this?
I'm obsessed. It's so classy.
Dude, it looks so awesome, right? And the little wing goes up and down.
It's so cute.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna be sincerely honest. I have never been a fan of Porsche.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody just calm down.
The lights is not it for me, but the back, wow.
The back is really crazy, right? How nice are these seats from nice and tight and
Wait,
nice
this is
they are.
so comfortable.
It's insanely comfortable.
Leather.
It's like a rich leather smell, right?
Wow.
That little Porsche.
That is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with how like old.
Right? And not antique, but like a very just
It's
classic.
Such a good condition.
It's incredible. I did not realize it was this nice condition.
Wait, I'm obsessed with how cute this is.
All right, see you guys in the next video where we start disassembling and fingers crossed, first drive. Let's go. Subscribe if you want to see part 2. We, Porsche